spilled water on your MacBook? Don't let a spill ruin your day. If it's not turning on, don't panic. We're here to help. At Gadget Doctor East Kilbride, we specialize in professional liquid damage repair and internal cleaning to get your Mac back to life. With advanced diagnostics and affordable pricing, we provide the safe cleaning your device needs to thrive. Visit us today at 14 Stroud Road, East Kilbride, or give us a call to book your slot. Book your repair today and get your MacBook back in top shape.